Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can use the wand select tool in the Pixlr Photo Editor, for example, to bulk select areas in your image with almost the same or similar colors. So let me just remove these lines here really quickly. So guys, this is how you can do it. What you want to do first is make sure that the layer you're working on is not locked. If it is locked, simply right click into it and switch to unlocked status here. So guys, what you want to do after that is select the wand tool here on the left panel, and after that click into the area you would like to use, for example, as a color example. So let me go with that color here, and there you go. After that, if you click into it with your left mouse, Pixlr will automatically mark all areas that have the same or almost the same or similar color. According to that description here, it selects and marks areas with similar colors, guys. So you may use this or simply use the shortcut W for that. And let me go with, in this case here, with this color, and there you go. It has been, the area here has been selected and marked so that you may now use it, for instance, to cut it out or edit it, do whatever you like with it, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.